What's up, traders? Have you ever wondered how to make profitable trades on a regular basis? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made some amazing trades on TradingView using two powerful indicators that are absolute game changers. Now, check out these examples on the screen. See those accurate and profitable trades? I made them using these secret weapons. Trust me, you won't believe the potential they have. But don't take my words for it. In this video, I've been putting these indicators to the test through an exhilarating backtesting session. Alright, let's get you started with TradingView. Go ahead and open a new tab. And don't worry about which chart to choose, because this strategy is gonna work its magic on any chart and time frame. I'll be using 5-minute Bitcoin chart for this tutorial, so feel free to follow along. Now it's time to find those secret weapons I was talking about. Head over to the indicators tab and get ready to unlock a world of potential. First up, we're gonna look for the 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR. Don't be intimidated by the name. It's actually pretty simple to use. I'll guide you through the whole process. You've searched for the 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR, right? Great. Now just click on it and watch as it magically appears on your chart. But we're not done yet. Let's fine-tune those settings to match your trading style. Don't worry, it's super easy and I'll walk you through it step by step. To access the settings, just look for the little gear icon and give it a click. See it? Great. Now you see a bunch of options, but don't be overwhelmed. As you're tweaking the settings, don't hesitate to pause the video if you need more time. Take all the time you need to get comfortable with the process. So you've adjusted the settings, right? Awesome. Next up, we'll dive into the second indicator that'll complete your trading strategy toolkit. But before we dive into that, let me take a quick moment to introduce you to my channel TradeGenius. Here, we're all about sharing easy to use, profitable, and absolutely free TradingView free trading strategies that'll help you conquer the trading world. My goal is to see you succeed, so you can count on me to bring you the best tips and tricks to level up your game. So, if you're enjoying this content and want more, show your support by hitting the like button and subscribe to TradeGenius. It really means a lot and it helped me continue creating awesome videos just for you. Alright, back to our second indicator. Let's hop back to the indicators tab at the top of your screen. Give it a click and you'll see search bar just waiting for you to find the second magic indicator for your trading strategy. This time, we're on the hunt for the TRIX histogram R1 indicator. Don't be shy, go ahead and type it into the search bar. Remember, we're all about keeping things simple and relatable here. So if you need a moment to catch up, feel free to pause the video. Found it? Great. Now all you have to do is to click on the TRIX histogram R1 indicator, and just like that, it'll appear on your chart. See how easy that was? You're already well on your way to becoming a TradingView master. Now to create a scalping strategy that'll bring in those profits, we need to fine-tune the settings on our shiny new indicator. Don't worry, it's a breeze. Just find the TRIX histogram R1 indicator name and look for the trusty gear icon. Give it a click and you'll open up a world of possibilities. In this case, the settings window. As you're tweaking the settings, remember that I'm here to guide you through the process, so don't hesitate to pause the video if you need more time to explore the options. Up next, I'm going to share the exact rules on how to trade with these amazing indicators. Alright, let's dive into identifying sell, trade, entry signals and making sure we're trading with the current market trend. Follow along as we go through this step by step. First, ensure that the 50 MA is below the 200 MA. This means we're in a potential downtrend. Next, check the price is below all the moving averages. This confirms we're aligned with the trend. Now, it's time to hunt for the sell signal. The TRIX histogram needs to be in on the action too. Look for a red histogram below the zero level and make sure the white line is also chilling below the oscillator zero line. So if all conditions are met, you're good to go. It's time to open a sell position. But wait, there's more. Risk management is crucial. So let's cover setting a stop loss for the trade. You've got two options here. Use the most recent market swing high, pretty self-explanatory, or set the stop loss slightly above one of the moving average lines. This gives your trade some breathing room. Managing risk is a big deal in trading, so make sure to choose a stop loss strategy that works for you. Alright, now that your risk is managed, let's discuss setting a profitable trade target. You can do this by setting the target 1.5 times the distance between the entry level and the stop loss level. This way, you're aiming for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Great. Let's jump into identifying buy trade entry signals and making sure you're trading with the current market trend. Here's your step-by-step guide. First up, ensure that 50 MA is above 200 MA. This indicates we could be in a potential uptrend. Next, check the price is above all moving averages. This confirms we're in sync with the current trend. Now, let's spot the buy signal. The TRIX histogram needs to be agree with our plan. Look for a green histogram above the zero level and make sure the white line is also hanging out above the oscillator zero line. So if all conditions are good to go, we've got the green light. It's time to open a buy position. Hold on, we're not done yet. Risk management is key. So let's discuss setting a stop loss for the trade. You've got a couple of choices here. You can use the most recent swing low, or you can set the stop loss slightly below one of the moving average lines. Remember, managing risk is essential in trading, so pick a stop loss strategy that suits your style. With our risk under control, let's talk about setting a profitable trade target. Aim for the target to be 1.5 times the distance between the entry level and the stop loss level. This way, you're going for a sweet risk-to-reward ratio. Alright, let's dive into the exciting backtesting results. We've tested this strategy on the Bitcoin chart with a 5-minute time frame using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The outcomes were truly impressive. Out of 100 trades, we achieved a remarkable 73% win rate. Our total profit skyrocketed to an outstanding 129%. The backtesting period spanned 6 weeks, allowing us to truly assess the strategy's effectiveness. During this time, we experienced an astonishing streak of 17 consecutive wins, showing the strategy's potential for consistent success. Even more impressive, the largest streak of losses was only 8, indicating a good balance of risk and reward. In addition of those notable achievements, we also observed a profit factor of 4.11, which compares the profit to loss, showcasing the strategy's efficiency. A max drawdown of only 7.73%. This represents the largest drop from peak to trough, indicating that the strategy can manage risk effectively. If you find this strategy helpful, don't forget to check out our other video on a powerful trading technique that'll take your skills to new heights. Just click on the video you see on your screen and continue your journey to trading mastery. Stay tuned for more valuable contents and happy trading.